Good morning to you all. This is preparatory English class. And student who are present, write P on your chat box. Write P on your chat box. Okay. Sanchayan, Mriganko, Nivedita, Trayambak, Ashma, Brintika, Shrestha. Good morning all of you. And at first tell me, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe. Now, you tell me, which day is today? Today is which day? Today is which day? Today is first day of the week. First day of the week is today. Type on the chat box, today is which day? Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Okay, Afrin, good morning. Devans, good morning. Good morning. No need to write anything at first. At first, we will try to answer some question. Okay, verbally. No need to write anything. Okay. Today our topic is try to answer. No need to write it. You just try to answer. Now tell me, is this a book? Is this a book? Is this a book? This is my first question. Is this a book? Say yes, this is a book. We use the word this to the nearby things, to signify the nearby things, right? Yes, Mriganko. Mriganko has given the right answer. To signify the nearby things, we use this. So, my question is this a book? And your answer will be yes, this is a book. Say yes, this is a book. Next question. Is this a notebook? Is this a notebook? Is this a notebook? Povitra, good morning. Povitra, now say, is this a notebook? Yes, this is a notebook. Next, is this a pen? Is this a pen? Yes, this is a pen. Is this a pencil? Is this a pencil? Yes, this is a pencil. Is this a chalk? Is this a chalk? Yes, this is a chalk. Is this a duster? Is this a duster? Yes, this is a duster. Is this a bottle? Is this a bottle? Yes, this is a bottle. Understood, student? How you will reply to the question? If I ask you, is this a ball? Is this a ball? Your answer will be yes. Yes, this is a ball. Yes, this is a ball. Okay. In your previous class, you have learned the use of this is and that is, right? Look at the question. Look at the sentence, first sentence of page number 37. Look at the first sentence of page number 37 in your book English Pathway. English Pathway book, page number 37. Look at the first sentence. Hat. This is a hat. Hat is there. So the sentence will be, this is a hat. This is a hat. Full stop. You have learned that how we will write a sentence. This is a hat. Okay. Now, my question is this a hat? Is this a hat? Is this a hat? And now you write the answer. Is this a hat? In our previous class, we have learned that this is a hat. And here my question is this a hat? Now, write the answer. Is this a hat? Yes, very good, Mriganko. Just use this sentence, okay, as it is a question and you are writing the answer. So, write yes. Question is this a hat? And your answer is positive? Your answer is positive? Yes. Yes, this is a hat. So, write yes. Y-E-S, yes. Now, write this sentence which you have learned in your previous class. Yes, you just write yes and write this sentence. Okay, write this sentence. Yes, this is a hat. Okay, you just write yes, as it is a question. Is this a hat? Write yes, this is a hat. Understood? Very easy. Very easy. Very easy to answer. Okay. Next, look at your book at page number 37. Page number 37. Pen is there. So, what we say in sentence? What we say? By using this, if we start the sentence by using this is a, yes, tell me, this is a pen. This is a pen. You have learnt it in your previous class. So, how to write a sentence? This is a pen. Now, today you will learn a new thing, how to give the answer to a question. Here, my question is, you will learn how to give the answer. My question is this a pen? Is this a pen? Question mark. Is this a pen? Answer is, this is a pen. So your answer will be, yes, this is a pen. Yes, Y-E-S, yes, this is a pen. Is this a pen? Your answer is yes, this is a pen. Write just yes and write the sentence which you have learned in your previous class. Yes, this is a pen. Okay. If you have learned that this is a can, right? This is a can. Now, if I ask you, is this a can? Is this a can? Question mark. This is my question. Is this a can? Is this a can? And what will you write? Your answer is yes. And write this sentence, this is a can. Yes. Yes. This is a can. Okay? Term work. Very good. So like this you try to answer in any question. Okay, Mriganko. Yes, Devans, very good. Mriganko, write N, CAN, N in small letter. So today our topic was try to answer my question. Now revise it. At first you just verbally say, is this a book? Yes, this is a book. If I ask you, is this a book? You will reply, yes, this is a book. If I ask you, is this a notebook? Your answer will be, yes, this is a notebook. Is this a pen? Yes, this is a pen. You say after me, is this a pencil? Yes, this is a pencil. Is this a bottle? Yes, this is a bottle. Okay, very good. Shrestha, very good. Very good, Shrestha. Sanchayan also very good. Is this a ball? Yes, this is a ball. This. Okay, very good, Sanchayan. Sanchayan, very good. Very good, Sanchayan. Mriganko. Mriganko, write Y in capital letter. Yes, Y. Y in capital. You have written in small hand. Write in caps. And after the question, always put a question mark. Is this a can? Put a question mark. Is this a ball? Is this a hat? Put a question mark. Okay? Okay, your English class is up to this. Bye bye student and have a good day.